everyone. Good evening. Welcome to your very own favorite channel. Yes, again we are meeting. How are you all doing? Good evening, Shivangi. Hi, Advika, Shaurya, Aisha, Mayank, Bebhav, everyone. Musafira. Yeah. Good evening, Harsimran. Yes, good evening, Sanvi, Priyanka, Gungun, Ankita, everyone. All right, so you know that the session that we are going to do now, it's on practical geometry. Yes, some of you were asking for it. So in just one session, we'll be covering the entire chapter. It's a very easy chapter, but I tell you where students generally get stuck with. You don't have the clarity, like let's suppose you are given a question where to start from, right? You start making from a different line segment. उससे क्या होता है कि जो actually pick करनी चाहिए थी. So I'll tell you the ways कि कैसे start करना चाहिए इन questions को. Very simple questions. The best thing about this chapter is इसमें से generally the questions can't be twisted. Yeah, easy chapter. You don't like geometry, yeah? Yes, Mayank, you're already in. Yeah, correct, Gungun. Perfectly visible and audible. Great, great, great. So let's get started. All right. So let's first recall what a quadrilateral is. As the name suggests, quadri means four and lateral means side. That means it's a four-sided figure. So it's basically a polygon that has four sides, four angles, and yes, four vertices and two diagonals. I hope you know what diagonals are. Yes? Thank you, Adya. Yes, everyone. Yeah, I'm doing great. Thank you, Harsimran. Yeah, correct. Four sides, four angles, four vertices, but yes, two diagonals. I hope you all know what diagonals are. Diagonals means which are connecting the line segment, connecting the non-consecutive vertices. Square, rhombus, kite, parallelogram, they all are, yes, of course, they all are quadrilaterals, four-sided figures. My digital pen, yeah. My digital pen is beautiful. You're after my pen for the past few months. Yeah? Leke manoge isko. Yes, non-consecutive vertices. All right. So, when we are talking about a quadrilateral, right? You know it's a four-sided figure. But let's suppose if I have to construct a unique quadrilateral. Is it possible to construct a unique quadrilateral using these four measurements that I have? Take a look at this. Look at this carefully. We have 7 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter. That's the side length. One shape you saw in the beginning, this is another shape. Only two types of shapes are possible using these four measurements, right? Yeah, in four measurements से सिर्फ यही possible है that I can make over here. सिर्फ मैं इतना ही बना सकती हूँ. दो possible shapes हैं quadrilateral की. Yes? What is happening? After 2 hours? Yeah, I am good. You can see that. Must be relaxing for you, yeah? Or you also had classes. Obviously, you would have some classes. Yes, everyone. So only two shapes are possible, I can say. So here we can say that only four measurements are not sufficient to define a unique quadrilateral. Unique means you cannot make any other shape with that. Yes? Hi Priyanka, I can see that some students are still joining in. So और कोई shape possible नहीं है. इन चार measurements से हम दो बना सकते हैं. Okay. So ये unique quadrilateral तो नहीं हुआ. Yeah? Yeah, you also had a class. Hi Ashif, hi Aisha. Now, that means we need one more measurement is required. It can either be a diagonal, it could be an angle also, it could be any other property as well. कुछ भी हो सकता है. Right? Unique quadrilateral बनाने के लिए. Yes, correct. We might need angles to make it more unique. We might need diagonal. We might need any other property. So it can be uniquely identified by 5 measurements like you can see here. This is the unique quadrilateral. This has 5 measurements because it has got one more diagonal also. Yes, hi Priyanka. 5 measurements are needed. Yes, of course, Ashif, please ask. Good evening, Manu. Yes, everyone, quickly, the session has just started. Share the link of the video with your friends also. Let them also join in because just one session, एक ही session में we are covering all the concepts. Yes, you can ask whatever doubt you have. Alright, so एक diagonal अगर हम use कर लें, एक extra measurement, then we can make a unique quadrilateral. Hi, Chalatul Firdaus, people are joining late, I can see today. और let's suppose अगर हम एक angle use कर ले, like this here, this will also be a unique quadrilateral. So 5 measurements are needed, unique quadrilateral को बनाने के लिए. Yes, bye Sanvi. Yes, of course, आशिफ. अभी हम एक कॉन्सेप्ट सेशन कर रहे हैं, पूरा चैप्टर हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. हम एनसीईआरटी के क्वेश्चंस भी डिस्कस करेंगे नेक्स्ट सेशन में. डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. Yeah, Harsimran, right. That's what I'm saying. So others can also join in. Yes, you can share the link of the video. ये clear है? So we require 5 measurements so that we can make a unique quadrilateral. All right, let's move ahead now. So when I'm saying that for the construction of quadrilaterals, right, there are basically different ways. Unique quadrilaterals I'm talking about. Either we can construct it using 4 sides, 1 diagonal, or maybe 3 sides, 2 diagonals, or maybe 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles, or 3 sides and 2 included angles, or it could be using some special properties. One by one, I will discuss all of these. Yes, you must have seen these kind of questions in your book also. Yes, hi Bhavya. It's okay. We just started. Yes, hi Avika. I think you are new here. Right, Mayank? Where is he? So everyone, please, new students, please subscribe the channel first. Are we all ready? Yes. So ये हमारे पास different methods है, 5 methods है. Let's see the first one. Yes. All right. Yes, hi Tripti. Yeah, Mayank could be a possibility. So the first case is 4 sides and 1 diagonal का. कैसे बनता है 4 sides and 1 diagonal use करके? Yes, hi Preshita. So here we have to construct a quadrilateral PQRS. I'll tell you a way to basically how to start these questions. एक quadrilateral construct करना है. 3 sides का quadrilateral नहीं हो सकता आशिफ. Quadri means 4. Lateral means sides, मतलब 4-sided figure. 3 sides का मतलब 3 sides का polygon हो सकता है. That would be a triangle. Triangle is a polygon, not a quadrilateral, right? Quadri का meaning ही यही है. Quadri means 4. That's what I told you couple of minutes before, right? On the very first slide. So PQRS एक quadrilateral construct करना है. PQ 5 cm है, QR 3 cm. RS 5 cm, PS 4 cm, diagonal SQ 6 cm. Before drawing this, सबसे पहला step, what should be the first step? What should we do before starting with the, making this with our geometrical tools? Ma'am, take RSR base. Yes, you can draw it in your notebooks. That would be helpful for you. Always draw a rough sketch first. Let's make a quadrilateral PQRS. PQRS has to be in order. So I made PQRS. Now let's mark all of them. I marked all of them. I joined the diagonal. That's 6 cm. Correct? Okay, you can start from anywhere. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा इस पे. Yes, rough sketch से start करना है. You can start from anywhere. Let's suppose I start with the diagonal first. That's basically 5 cm. Right? I start with this. With this baseline, that's basically 5 cm. Right? Now, next what we can do? We only have the side lengths. We don't have the angle measurement, right? Now let's take a compass and open the radius of 3 cm. Now keep your compass needle here and mark an arc of radius 3 cm. Yes, like this. Now open 6 cm in your compass. 6 cm open karke, right? And keep it at S. S as center. These two arcs should intersect. Now just join them. Mark this as Q. Join this RQ and SQ. This is 6 cm, 3 cm. Hi Pari Suhani. Yes, everyone. I hope you are able to understand. Yes, your book is not according to NCERT. Yeah? But still it will be helpful somewhere. Don't worry. Yes, Ashika? Okay, now still the quadrilateral is, we haven't made the entire quadrilateral. What I will do? I'm still left with the other measurements. I'm done with RS. This is my quadrilateral, PQRS. Okay, RS is done, 5 cm. This QR is done, 3 cm. This is done. This is done, 6 cm. Still the other two measurements are left, these two. PS and PQ. PQ is left and PS is left. Okay, let's open in your compass radius of 5 cm, right? And keep it at Q, make an arc. Similarly, now open 4 cm, keep it at S and draw an arc. They will be intersecting. Let's join them and you get the required quadrilateral. Yes? 2 triangle. Yes, 2 triangles, Akash, will make a quadrilateral. Correct. That's what we can see here. 2 triangles milke, they are making one quadrilateral. Yeah? No protractor. No protractor. You don't require protractor. You just need the compass. Compass, pencil, scale. That's it. Yes, everyone. Clear hai abhi? This is simple. Koi doubt hai isme? Yes, is this clear? It's easy, right? Yes, Shivangi, of course. So you first always make a rough sketch, right? Abhi humne sabse pehle kya banaya? We made RS. We started with RS, right? Okay, RS, ye wala line, that's 5 cm. Now I opened 3 centimeter. Compass 3 centimeter open karke, you put it at R, you make an arc. Okay. Another one with R is QR. You pick up the same letter once. That's 3 centimeter. Keep it here and just mark them. Intersect karenge, let's join them. Abhi we are left with PQ and we are left with PS. Open 5 centimeter and 4 centimeter one by one and make arcs from here. Arc कैसे mark करना है? जैसे let's suppose you put at S. S पे रखा 5 centimeter का, right? S पे रखा 4 centimeter का and just mark it like this. Make a big arc. वो automatically intersect करेगा. Right? Join them like this. You get 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Yes, Karthik, you can ask whatever doubt you have. This is clear? Yes, Ashif? Alright, so before I move ahead, I would like to share some important information with you. There are still a lot of questions left. Yes? Yes, Bhavya, you can do that. Yes, Adya, we have more questions. Don't worry, Karthik. More questions are there. This was just the first one. So it's regarding the BST, that's Byju's scholarship test. Some of you might have heard about it, or some of you might have appeared about in this test in the past. It's starting on 21st August, right? And if you write this test, if you go for it, you will be able to increase your chance to fly to Australia, and you can watch the ICC Men's T20 World Cup live in Australia. Isn't that great? Just by giving an exam, you can go to Australia, you can watch the World Cup live, right? Exciting nahi hai ye? Yeah. So link is there in the description. Please go and register for it. Trust me, it's free of cost. Absolutely free hai. And you can win up to 100% scholarship as well. Yeah. And the aptitude sessions that we did, that is also going to help you there in that BST test. As I always tell you. See, ye jo choti choti cheezein hum karte hain like aptitude and all, it's not just that we are just doing it, right? Koi use hai inka. Right? Later on, if you go for any competitive exams, whether it's NTSC, it's Olympiad, be it anyone, even the big level exams also like UPSC, there also these aptitude is a part of that paper. Yeah. Don't worry, Akriti, you will get a clarity on that as well. So top three performers will get a chance to fly to Australia. Your book has got extra chapters, don't worry. So link is there in the description. Please do please do register for it, and it's closing on 3rd September. So you need to hurry, yeah? Alright. And another interesting thing that, again, we are back with Byju's mini learning program. Since your midterms are closed, again, we are giving you 3 sessions absolutely free of cost. You can book the class timings as per your convenience, and koi bhi 3 subjects ka you can take the class, and it's only free for the first 500 users every week now. So use this code YT1st to avail this offer, and link is there in the description. Please do go check that out. Trust me, you are going to love the app. It's amazing. अगर आपको ये सेशंस यहाँ अच्छे लग रहे हैं, whatever sessions we are doing, आपको ऐप बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. प्लीज ट्राई करिए जिसने भी नहीं करा है अभी तक. Yes. All right. Yes, of course, Ashif. Yeah. All right. Let's move ahead. Let's get back to our session. So we have discussed about how we can construct a quadrilateral using 4 sides and 1 diagonal. Now let's move ahead to the next one using 3 sides and 2 diagonals. Okay, here again we have to construct a quadrilateral PQRS. Okay, PQRNS. QR is 7 centimeter. This is 7 centimeter. Always draw a rough sketch first, right? PS is 4 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. SR is 5 centimeter, and there is a diagonal of 9 centimeter SQ. SQ is 9 centimeters, and another diagonal PR, that's basically 6 centimeter. 2 diagonals here this time. Yeah. Yes, for BST, yes. You can appear for that only 14 days after you took the first test. Correct. Yeah, aptitude was helpful for BST. Great, I'm glad that. Because see, I told you, even if you go for any competitive exam, be it this BST, this one, or you go for any one, NTSC, Olympiad later on, it will be helpful for you. All right. Yes, I'm waiting, Arika. Yes, everyone, how to draw the rough sketch. You can do this simultaneously with me. Don't use a compass exactly, but you can draw rough sketches at least. So this would be a rough sketch that I just showed that to you. Make a quadrilateral. First rough sketch banana zaruri hai. You will get a, idea like kahan se start karna hai. Sare measurements given hai, right? Sare measurements given hai, but we don't have this PQ, except this PQ. We don't have PQ, right? So, kahin se bhi start karte hain. Let's suppose we start with SR. SR, right? 5 centimeter. Right? It is अच्छे समझ आ रहा है. Great. 5 centimeter का SR we have drawn. Now, let's open the compass up to a radius of 6 centimeter. Compass को open करिए 6 centimeter radius में, and keep the compass needle at R. R पे compass needle रखना है, and draw an arc. a big arc. Always make big arcs. It will be easier for the arcs to get intersected, right? This is the arc. Okay. Now, R is here. Okay. Okay, check. In सब में check करिए R किस में आ रहा है. QR is 7 centimeters, right? And over here, PR is 6 centimeters. SR over here is 5 centimeters. ये already draw हो चुका है. Correct. Now, another arc. Yes, let's open this up. That's of radius 4 centimeters, right? That's 4 centimeters. Let's draw this. And then we connect them. This is PS and PR. This is done. ये बन गया. Triangle बन गया. Okay, we are done with which one? Let's just cut them. This is SR. This is PS is done. And we are done with PR also. Okay. अभी QR and SQ है. QR and SQ. What we will do, QR is 7 centimeter and SQ is 9 centimeters. Let's open compass till a radius of 9 centimeters. Okay. Then draw an arc keeping it at S. Another time you open the compass of radius 3 centimeter from R. They will intersect. Join them. Mark this as Q. Join them. Okay. I don't have the measurement of Q, PQ. We don't even need it. Let's just join them simply. And we are done. Yes, of course, Joshita. Am I going really fast? Is it so? Abhi ye clear hai? You can start from anywhere. Coordinate geometry instead of practical geometry. All right. So there might be a little difference in the syllabus, yeah? Coordinate geometry is also very simple. Yes, Harsh? Understood. Very clear. Yes, Arika, Gungun, everyone. Yes, Jyotisha, Joshita. Okay, I'm explaining again. See, this is not difficult. Sabse pehle, what you have to do is, you can draw SR, that's 5 centimeter. You can start from anywhere. Yeah? SR is 5 centimeter. Okay, SR is done. I'm cancelling this. This is done. Okay? Now we are left with the other measurements. Now, let's open. Let's suppose I want to start from R now. Okay? Let's open radius of 6 centimeter. Okay? And open compass of radius 6 centimeter. Keep the compass needle at R. Now let's draw an arc. Okay, done. Right? Another one, let's open compass up to a radius of 4 centimeter. Keep it at S. And then just, yes, thoda confusion tha clear ho gaya, right? Then just intersect them. Ab kya karna hai? We have the intersection point. Simply join this point with S and R like this and mark this as P. Correct? Ye P hoga because aapne ye dekh ke pick kiya hoga, right? These lines. Right? This one 4 centimeter, this one 6 centimeter. This is also done. Yes, Joshita, I hope it's clear now. Abhi again आपको open करना है 9 centimeter. Keep it at S. Mark the arc. Open 7 centimeter compass radius and keep it at R and join them like this. Now you can join PQ simply. So we have our required quadrilateral. I hope this is clear to everyone. Yes, everyone? All right, all right, all right. Yes, Study Master, new here. All right, new students, please subscribe the channel. Yes, clear everyone. Shall we move ahead? Alright, so now I'm going to share with you another very interesting information. So did you know that the compass was invented by Galileo? Yeah, you knew that in 1596, and he invented the compass for aiming cannonballs. You remember that times in wars, cannonballs were used actually. And later the compass was improved. You can see the first version. Then it was improved and invented for geometry and military use. Yeah. Yes, from which point we have to point the arc. Okay, Joshita, we have more examples. I'll tell you how to do that. Clear? Yes. Hi, Savita, Mayank, Ashifa, Bhavya, Gungun, everyone. Great. Let's move ahead. Yes, we can understand from which point we have to point the arc. Yes, just by looking at, see, you have to look at the names of those particular line segments. Like it is PR, it is RQ. So R is common. R is common amongst them. So one time you will keep at P, another time at Q. You intersect them, then join them with R. The common one you have to pick. Okay, let's move ahead to the next one where we can use 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles. Let's see that. So here we have to construct a quadrilateral ABCD. AB is 5 centimeter, BC 3 centimeter. Angle A is 120 degree, B is 110 degree and C is 90 degrees. This time we are given 3 angles and 2 sides. Let's make a rough sketch. Let's make a quadrilateral ABCD, right? Now it says that here, this time C is 90. Definitely this is a straight line. Okay, and this is 120, it will be an obtuse angle, and this will be 110 degree. This is the rough sketch, just a rough sketch. Rough sketch will vary a little bit every time. Done? Rough sketch clear? Yes, come on, I want thumbs ups from all of you. Rough sketch is clear. Then we will move ahead and we'll draw the actual one. Yes, definitely. Is chapter ke important questions and all. We will come up with a session wherein I'll be discussing questions. Today we are understanding how to draw them. Next class में, next session में we will discuss कि कैसे draw करना है properly. Prishita, Gungun, everyone. Yes, Adya, Trupti, Ankita, Bhavya. Yes, clear? All right, all right. Now let's see that. So we start with AB first. AB is 5 centimeters. Yes, are you all drawing with me? If you draw along with me, trust me, you will be able to understand this better. You won't have any confusions. A is 5 centimeter. If you remember angle A over here, that was 120 degrees, right? So let's start from this. Let's draw angle A 120 degrees. You know 120 degree would be an obtuse angle. This is 120 degree. Okay, this is done. This is AX. AX is, I don't know what the length of AX is. It is extended indefinitely. Great. Yes. Hi, Amisha, Hemlata, Preshita, Mayank. Wow, constructing with me. That's great. Janatul Firdaus, everyone. Great. This is 120 degrees. Now, I know here, I don't know what this, because this is AB. Now, angle B is 110. Let's make another angle over here. This is 110 degrees. I hope all of you know how to draw construct angles. I made a video on that as well. You remember where I showed that to you, how to use protractor. Yes. Hi, Aman. Aman BG. Yes. Not many new names. Amisha, I could see here today. New students, please subscribe the channel first. Yeah, you have seen that. Great, great. So it will be helpful for you if you have seen that video. Angles are constructed. Yes, Trupti? Great. So AB is there. Now, this is done. This is done. AB is 5 centimeter done. Okay. Now, what I can do, BC is 3 centimeter I can see. So let's open compass of radius 3 centimeter. Keep the compass needle at B and mark 3 centimeter. Cut it on BY. Joshita, I hope it's clear. You have to keep it at B now. Yes. And mark the arc like this. And where it is meeting here, that is C, right? BC is 3 centimeter. Okay. Yes, you have to construct it using compass and scale only, but 110 degree cannot be constructed using a compass. You can only construct angles which are multiples of 15 using a compass. So you will have to use a protractor also. Akita, I hope I'm clear. Yes, Gauri, already subscribed. Hi, Aman. Yes, Aman, please subscribe the channel. Yes, new students, please do that and hit the bell icon also. Because next time I want you to be on time whenever we have a class. Namaste, Arima. All right, BC3. Now we know that angle C, this is done, this is done, this is done, this is done. We are only left with angle C. Angle C is 90 degrees. Okay, we can construct 90 degrees, right? Just draw 90 degree angle over here. Now, we join it with the other line. So here this point where it is intersecting, it's going to be D. So that's our required quadrilateral, ABCD. Yes, Aman, Arama, Akita, everyone, Joshita, I hope this is clear now. Now you know how to, after one thing, how to go to the next thing. Which thing you have to pick up next? Clear, Ashif? Great. Yes, Amisha. Ankita, Bhavya, everyone, Gungun, crystal clear. Great. All right, let's move ahead now to the next one, wherein we will be using 3 sides and 2 included angles. Okay, let's see that. So here, this is the quadrilateral PQRS. QR is 5 centimeter, RS is 6.2 centimeter, SP is 4 centimeter, R is 60 degree, angle S is 75 degree. Let's construct a rough sketch first. PQRS we have to construct. Let's make PQRS. PQ is given 4 centimeter, right? And this SR over here, that's basically, PS is 4 centimeter, SR is 6.2, this is 5 centimeter, this is 75 degree, that's 60 degree. Okay, 75, 60 degree, these are multiples of 15, right? So that can be drawn using compass. Let's start with QR first. That's 5 centimeter, right? So QR is done, 5 centimeter. And you know over here that angle R is 60 degree. Let's first construct that. Always construct angles first whenever you draw a line segment. Angle R is 60 degree. Do you know how to draw angles using a compass? You just have to, any radius on the compass, you can just open it of any radius. Keep the compass needle at R and draw an arc like this, right? Okay. Now you keep the compass needle here and cut this, intersect this arc with another arc. Okay, you get like this. Now join this with R like this. You know that. Great. Now, I don't know what the length of this line segment is. It is extended indefinitely. But I have this. I'm already done with QR. I'm done with angle R. I know that RS is 6.2. Let's open 6.2 in your compass, right? And just intersect this line with that arc. Mark this as S. We have S 6.2 now. Okay, this is also done. Now, I know one thing. Angle S is 75 degrees. Let's construct 75 degrees angle here. Yes, open the compass needle, any radius, keep it at S and mark an arc. Okay, now what will you do? You simply have to mark two arcs, right? One by putting the compass needle here, another by putting the compass needle here. Simply mark these two arcs, right? If I mark these two arcs, putting the compass needle here and here one by one, you can construct what? This is what? This is the 90-degree angle. Now, 75-degree angle will be between 60 and 90 degrees, right? You keep the compass needle here once and mark these two arcs like this and then just join it. Now, this angle is 75 degrees. Students do get confused while making such angles like 75 degrees, let's suppose 135 degrees and it is 45 degrees. Yes. I'm recommending you side name. Yeah. All right. Yes, everyone. It's okay, Arima. So here, this is 75 degrees. Now, what will I do? Further, what will I do here? I know that this is done, done. SP is 4 centimeter. Open compass with radius 4 centimeter. Put it on S and cut here on this line. Yes, that's 4. Joshita, I'll tell you that. This is 4 centimeter. Now, let's join this with Q over here. That's a required quadrilateral. How to construct 75 degrees? Okay, let's understand this. Forget about this question. Yes, forget about this question. Yes. All right. See, you remember I made a video wherein I showed you that how to make angles using a protractor, right? How to measure them. Yes. I think that will be helpful. Next time when I come up with with the questions of this session, I will show you. I will show you using properly without using the animations. I will show you how we can construct angles using that. Yes, I'll tell you. Yes, Joshita. So you are saying how to construct 75 degrees. So we know that 75 degrees lie between 60 degrees and 90 degrees. Correct? Correct. Now what will I do? Open compass with any radius and mark an arc like this. Right? If this is done, you can keep the compass needle here, right, and mark an arc. I'm just showing you a rough diagram, right? This is, okay, this is what? This gives you 60 degrees, correct? This gives you 60 degrees. Let's construct 60 degrees. Okay. Now I want 90 degrees also because 75 lies between 60 and 90. Okay, let's keep the compass needle here, mark another arc here. Okay, we will mark another arc. All right. Now I'll keep compass needle here once, mark an arc, compass needle here once, mark an arc. And now this is what? This is 90. 75 degrees lie between 60 degree and 90 degree. अब इनके बीच में है. तो उसके लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा आपको? All you have to do is keep the compass needle here once and here once, right? And mark an arc like this. And the moment you just join this angle over here, from here till here, it is what? This is 75 degrees. Joshita, I hope it is clear now. Yes. Clear है ये अभी? Yes. Yes, Abhika, algebraic expressions, Ankita, yes, we will come up very soon. Yes, Joshita, clear. All right, all right. Any doubts? Yes, everyone, clear, great. So we are done with how we can construct quadrilaterals using 3 sides and 2 included angles. Let's move ahead to the last one using special properties. Okay, let's do that. So here we have to draw the rhombus using diagonals whose diagonals are 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter long. We know all sides of a rhombus are equal, right? And we are given the diagonals. One is 6 centimeter, another one is 5 centimeter. You know one thing that diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at 90 degrees, correct? Rhombus के diagonals 90 degrees पर bisect करते हैं. Yes. So let's do one thing. Let's make the perpendicular bisector of this AC. Do you know how to make the perpendicular bisector? Open the compass needle more than half of this line segment. More than half. आपको more than half open करना है. Yes, half is 3. You don't have to be exact, but rough idea. More than half open करना है. Keep the compass needle at A, mark an arc like this. Now keep the compass needle at C, mark an arc. They will intersect, right? Similarly, on the other side also, keep the compass needle at A, mark an arc. Similarly, from here, C also, join this line. You get the midpoint. This is the perpendicular bisector. Now, another diagonal is of 5 centimeter, right? So 5 centimeter means, as I said, diagonals bisect each other. If this is 6 and another one is 5, that will be 2.5 because diagonals bisect होते हैं. Roshan Kumar, I'll tell you what diagonal is. Diagonals bisect होते हैं, तो 2.5 होगा. Open 2.5 in your compass, keep it at O and mark an arc on the above side and below the line also, like this. So we have the required points. Let's join them. Join A, B, C and D, all of them like this. That's the required rhombus. Rhombus kya hai? Rhombus is basically, yes Trupti, you can ask. Rhombus is basically a quadrilateral, means a four-sided figure in which all the side lengths are equal. सारे side lengths equal होते हैं, but in this question side lengths given नहीं थे. We cannot just assume it like that. And diagonals जो होते हैं rhombus के, वो bisect करते हैं at 90 degrees. Yes, correct. Diagonals 90 degree पे bisect करते हैं. Yes, hi, good evening Arya. Yes, Neha, you can ask. Snehal, you can ask whatever doubt you have. Yes, Snehal, of course. Do you all know what a rhombus is, by the way? Rhombus क्या होता है? How to make B and D? Yes, that's what. Okay, let's go back and see this. I don't know the side lengths. Rhombus के सारे side lengths equal होते हैं. I don't know that. So this one only. Let's say AC is 6 centimeter. Now I know that diagonals bisect each other at 90 degrees. All of you, you have a compass with you, compass, pencil, scale. Do you have that with you? If you can use that to draw this, it will be easier for you to understand. Yeah? Open the compass. More than half of this line segment. General, I mean, general, general आपका idea से आपको open करना है more than half. Open more than half. More than half. You can open this much part, let's say. More than half open kiya, right? Keep the compass needle at A. Compass needle at A, keep it there. Mark an arc. Mark an arc like this. Like this. Mark an arc. Similarly, keep the compass needle at B, at C. Mark an arc. They will intersect somewhere. Yes, everyone? They will intersect somewhere. This is for class 8, Roshan. Snehal, I hope you are able to understand now. Arcs are done. Yes? Yes? No, Tripti. More than 3 centimeter. 6 centimeter ka half is 3 centimeter, right? You have to open more than 3. Shibu, Savita, everyone, Snehal, great. Similarly, line segment के नीचे भी यही करना है आपको. Below that you also have to do the same thing. Same radius, उसी radius को use करना है. Keep it at A and C one by one and mark it like this. Same manner. Join the line. क्या मिल गया? Perpendicular bisector. We have got the perpendicular bisector of it. This point O is nothing. That's the perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular means 90 degree है and bisect कर रहा है means half में divide कर रहा है. Okay. Now I don't have B and D. BD का तो पता ही नहीं है. We have the other diagonal 5 centimeter. Other diagonal means ये entire length 5 centimeter है. I don't know line के ऊपर कितना लेना है, line के नीचे कितना लेना है. I don't know that, right? But we know since the property says it's the perpendicular bisector. Bisector means exactly half. Exactly half means what is the half of 5? That's 2.5. That means 2.5 above the number line, 2.5 below the number line. Correct? Perpendicular bisector means it will be 90 degrees, Snehal. Bisector means exactly half में divide करेगा. 90 degree means straight line. Bisector means dividing in exactly 2 equal halves. Yes? Okay. Now I'll open the compass 2.5 centimeter. Keep it at O. Open 2.5 in compass. Open 2.5 centimeter in compass. Keep it at O and mark the arc. Mark the arc like this. Done? Done? Yes, everyone? Similarly, you have to mark here as well with the same radius, 2.5. Correct? Yes, Amisha, I just saw your message. Yes, yes, yes. I just saw your comment. This is clear? Done? Okay, now I have these points. I have these points here. This is D and this is B. Points mil gaye. We have got the points. All we need to do is just join them. Yes, Amisha, you can ask. Just join them. So A, B, C, D, join and we got our rhombus. See, property. Only we need to know the property. Yes, Ashif, Amisha, yes. Any doubts or this is clear now? No confusions? Next time when I'll come for the class for this particular topic, I'll show you how to draw it. Without using animations, I'll properly show you how we can use the compass and all. I think that will be a lot more easier for you to understand then. Done? Great. Menti. कुछ और करो ना करो menti. Menti तो जरूर करना है. Yeah? Shibu, Preshita, everyone. Great. This is clear. Well, that's it from my end. Whatever we had in this particular chapter, we have discussed all the concepts. So next time when I'll come, I will be discussing questions. I'll be showing you. So This goes without saying that we got you covered. So many things we planned for you from every Monday to Friday so that you excel in your examinations. And I think people who are already part of this channel, they know that we have a dedicated Telegram community for 6 to 8 graders. Link is there in the description. Please go and join it. If you want the PDFs for these sessions that we are doing here, uski PDFs will be shared over the Telegram. And every 3 p.m. on Friday, we come live. We teachers come live on the Telegram. So you can ask us whatever you have, questions you have for us. Yes, so homework poll quizzes are also shared there. Participate and win special mentions and goodies from Byju's. Super interesting sessions, yeah? Thank you. Thank you, Harsh, Preshita, everyone. You want homework? मैंने पहली बार ऐसा देखा है कि students कह रहे हैं homework दे दो. Don't worry, we will give you homework. It's just that practical geometry, if we give you homework, you won't be able to share your answers, right? Because it's about constructing things. Yes. For science chapter, Amisha, basically on our channel, we have all these subjects here. Like science is there, math is there, English is there, SST is there. If you have any confusions in science also, please, new students, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon also. You will keep getting notifications. Sneha, okay, Snehal, if you want to join fees, these sessions that we are doing here on YouTube, these are absolutely free of cost. There is no fees for it. So please share the link of the video with your friends also, in your school groups also, hit the bell icon, right? Sessions are free of cost. Let others also take the advantage of it. You want a timetable. Don't worry, I'll come up with a session wherein I tell you what should be the timetable for you people, for math especially. Yes? And please subscribe the channel, everyone, each of you. Alright, so I'll see you soon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.